So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the driver MSI GeForce RTX 5070T gaming and like that white. Okay, so as it is, open any browsers to type Google search box. Oh, okay, you can see this MSI website, official website. Okay, graphic card overview. Just you can click the just single click. You can see this is your graphic card. Then click to support. Then automatically select the driver. If not, so manually select. Okay, so you can see there are two type of you can install the driver. Why this is a manual, this is a game ready studio, and this is at automatic. So I recommend guys try to this one. If you getting some issues in this, so then try to manually. So first click to audio auto and click to download. Okay, so after few seconds it will start automatically. So guys, I already installed, this is setup. So just single click and then click to yes. Now this is version and detect your graphic card, and then next to install. After installations the driver, you restart your system. Okay, thank you.